Hey, what's up? So I'm going to be sharing this applesauce recipe. Super simple. I had some apples that were spotty. I just refused to throw them out. So basically I just took a bunch of apples, chopped them up, had a pot with some boiling water. So I just added enough water to cover the apples. I let that boil so the apples look really tender. Then strain the water or just use one of those spoons with the holes in it. Put that in a bowl. And I mean, you can use a blender, but I had a handheld blender, an immersion blender. So after I get the apples, I'll just use the immersion blender. I'm gonna blend that up, and ta-da, applesauce. Really easy. I put this in a glass jar, let it cool before I closed it with the lid. And that's it. Really easy. It tastes good. No sweetener because the apples already have some sweetness to it. Yeah, I'm pretty sure you can add like cinnamon and different flavors, which I didn't try. I kept it basic, so yeah. This next recipe I made because, you know, cold and flu season.
Yes.
It is also very basic, but I make this every year. And it's basically just the lemon. I slice them, put them in a jar. I also have ginger, which I slice up, and then a bunch of honey. And that's it. I let this sit in the fridge so all the flavors just marinate in there. And we use it for tea, so I'll boil water and I'll add some of this. And it's already sweet. It's already got the ginger and lemon flavor. Or you can have some by the spoonful. This is really good for your throat. Packed with vitamin C. Got that ginger. Real simple, but potent. Okay, so this last one, these are gummies, but the recipe, I don't know, I'm still working on it. There's a couple recipes out there, but I don't know, I gotta find one that I actually like. It's not bad, it's just the texture. I'm trying to play with the texture because I don't want to use gelatin. I'm trying to do plant-based, so I'm using agar powder. And I mean, it's a gummy, but it's not gummy. So, but this one too, this is real basic. I just added orange juice, sea moss, ginger, and honey. And I might have added like a tiny bit of lemon. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed prepping these really easy and basic immune boosting recipes with me. Bye.